Hey guys, it's Heather here, and I'm super excited. So, Tuesday Tech Tip, and I want you to know, did you know on a broker level, you have the option in your dashboard to be able to add announcements, and you have a company cloud where you can add resource links not only for KV Core support, but also maybe to your MLS or anything else that agents could use as quick links. So that way it drives them. They know everything's right there in their dashboard. So I'm going to show you where that's at right here. When you log into your dashboard right here, you have all of your company announcements. You can just add them and they can toggle through. Make sure that first one is always prominent. So it's most important if you have events, make sure you edit, delete, whatever it may be when it's old so that they know you're on top of it. And the most recent or news, you can easily move up and down. So that way, whatever is going to be showing on that main dashboard. So go ahead and do that. But you also have a company cloud area. You can add, edit, you can do all sorts of great stuff. Add quick links right here for your agents to make it super easy for them to be able to use. I will give you a little tip, maybe. Let's see if I can do this. I have a bunch of resources on my website. So go to that link. You are going to see I have past recordings, live recordings, and Remax University MAXTECH resources, upcoming classes, past recordings. When you go to the past recordings here, these are all inside real estate, all of their classes. They have a ton of them. So you have how it works. No, you're not watching every single one of them. You're going to pick maybe the last one that just recorded. You're going to click on there and go ahead and register and watch it right now at your convenience, 24/7, 365. If you can go right through, just every tab is a different class. And you'll see they have tons of great articles from their support website that'll actually go over and cover more in depth anything that they're talking about during these classes. So make sure check these out yourself, but also create that link so the agents have it. Next up is if they're live, they want to register, be involved, ask questions live in the moment. Same classes right here. They can register for whatever class they want, watch it live. They will get an email with the recording if they don't get to join in live. It's hard during the middle of the day. I understand that as much as anybody else. I personally just go to the past recordings. One good tip that I used a lot when I was onboarding several offices was this ask me anything, talk to a trainer at KV Core. If it wasn't necessarily a support issue, but it was more of a how to or just something more in depth that support didn't maybe understand, I use this ask me anything. What it is you register, you're going to get a link for the Zoom. It's about every week that they do it. You can look at the dates, sign up, jump on that Zoom link a couple minutes before. They'll have several trainers. And it's kind of as you come in, it's, you're taking turns. So one trainer is going to pop in, grab me, take me to a breakout room, answer my questions, and then I'm done. So the ask me anything, talk with a trainer really helped as I was trying to navigate because I had KV Core independently. MaxTech was a little different. So doing the train with a trainer really it helped me anything, this ask me anything. So definitely on an agent level, if they're asking you a question that you're not sure, definitely let them know that they can speak with a KV Core trainer. It's a great option for those more advanced questions, building landing pages, squeeze pages, or anything like that. Great resource. So make sure I have that link there. Add it to the hub. Add any of these links. We also have the groups. I do monthly classes in the Tech and Tools group. It's also YouTube Live and StreamYard, everything like that. I do put the recordings right here on my website so anyone can watch. I have a ton of blogs. I get a lot of questions. I answer them. I usually have a video and screenshots for however an agent wants to learn. I try to keep the videos pretty short. Here's a bunch of other videos. I've got a ton. If somebody's trying to build the website, feel free, direct them to my website. I have a ton of resources right here available for you. That's what I want to do. Help you guys, help your agents. I want to be a resource for you however I can. So until next week, I'll have another Tuesday Tech Tip for you. but we'll chat then. Bye, guys.